Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Spiky Edgar's world, so everyone buckle up as we take you on this journey.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy. What's going on, guys? It's your boy.
What's up, los Spiky Edgar's?
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Spiky Edgar back in the cut right now. You know, right now we're having a little breakfast moment right now.
Where we at?
We at Quick Trip right now in Old Town.
What do we have?
So we had a little quick stop for gas real quick.
Hey, she looking good. She looking good. We got 619 Joe in the spot.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy. All right, so
Little penis.
the little truck right here, and then you gotta lift it and then drop like so. Don't mind the headlights. We got a car wash with a little foggy.
But anyway,
Hey, where we going?
we're going to MTI. On the way right now to Iowa. You know what I'm saying? We still missing a compa Danny. He's inside getting whatever the fuck he needs. And we got my boy Joshua Sins in the cut too.
Hey, what do we have in the car? Oh, we can't say that.
With my boy Danny.
Hey, compa Dani.
Oh, y'all vlogging with It's been a minute, gang. What's up?
¿Cómo andamos, Dani?
¿Qué andamos?
How's life been treating you?
Good, bro.
That's good. Sorry, shit. We got Joshua inside. What you got? All right.
Got a cookie, little sandwich, just some taquitos and essential water.
¿Qué más? Sneezy? Ooh. Oh, fuck. La troquita looking good. Yeah, this is where I'm gonna be. We got the duffel bag. We're gonna put you in it.
Some light.
Oh, fuck.
Some light.
I love it.
¿Dónde vamos, güey? Ay, caray.
Hey.
Ay, caray. ¿Cuántos años tienes, joven?
23.
Era.
Ay, por ahí tengo. Ahí tengo.
¿Dónde andamos, Juan? ¿Dónde andamos?
¿Qué andamos haciendo?
No, pero ¿a dónde, güey?
Oh, acá por ahí.
Acá, ya por ahí, güey.
Ni se ve, ¿no?
No hay nada para acá.
Puros montos. ¿Jugaste para eso?
Vámonos para Paraíso. I'll put up the flyer right here. No seas mamón.
Juega para Iowa, dice.
Alright.
We got Joshua right now taking a fat ass shit. Oh, he's taking a fat ass. Hey, someone take
Like Manny.
Y baila como él y todo.
Alright guys, Spiky is back. We took a little break, you know, right now. We're saying we're at some gas station right here in Iowa. We have to big things. We only like 30 minutes away from this destination.
None of that little shit.
Type shit.
You feel me? So right now, we're gonna go chicken on the Airbnb, and then my nigga Joe gonna go
straight to MTI, boy.
Yes, sir,
I'm
my
gonna
boy.
try to save your money up. Buy your funny. Oh God, nigga.
What they said.
You know who did?
God did. Alright, cut it.
We're back at it again with another fucking banger. What's it going on, guys? Spiky Edgar's here. We're live with it. We came to MTI, Iowa.
Full of over here. Tocando right there. Static Lou, like some shit over there. Jerry Twig was over there, that nigga left. Got some random ass group playing over there.
Hey, Jerry Tweaks asked me for a picture.
Y'all pop it up right here.
Yeah, right.
Right here.
We hate on Static Leo, but we got some static merch.
Niggas finally got the merch.
Hey, I put my number in to win the truck. Hey,
Y'all not winning, no cut. That shit a scam. Y'all just got scammed.
You should have done it from the other one. They have a nice one there.
cap.
No problem. No problem. What's the deal? We just got off the. We seen the burnout pit. We seen the. We're thirsty. That's so stupid. Or could I see this nigga on the floor and this nigga flipping him on the floor?
Oh,
Like this, like this, like this.
Ay, caray.
Or the two steps.
Ay, caray. Catch y'all niggas later.
Solo para los Spikey Ergues, ese viejo.
He didn't even get that far. So guys, we got Pablo Chabot cut. Surviving in the cut. It's currently, we got Joshua. Ain't go behind the camera. 6:44 a.m. Rated outside. Beautiful rain. Beautiful rain.
It was a cool night. It was a cool night.
Cause somebody had to fucking turn on the AC.
that was you,
Nigga, you fucking told me that shit last night.
No,
Turn that bitch down. Turn that bitch down.
You went down to 55.
We got the Airbnb.
Cooler Airbnb.
Airbnb. Juega para KC.
¿A dónde?
KC, papi.
Truck stop coming soon. All right.
Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Fuck MJ.